I'll be trying to solo build an app from scratch with absolutely no coding experience. And I have three major problems while doing it. And the first problem is the part about not having any coding experience is not actually true because I have already built stuff like this. I have already built an app that adds text behind images automatically. I have also built an app that lets you create fake Instagram and Twitter tweets and add whatever stats you want to them. But what I am trying to build now is much more complicated than whatever that I built before. And I honestly don't know where to start from. It's called ClipDek and it's a clipping marketplace. I know what you're thinking in your mind. Why build another marketplace when there's already Warp in the exact same space? But what you should understand is Warp is the only major competitor in this field, and they don't serve all regions globally. So there's so much untapped market and I'm trying to get them tapped. I also already have some extra additions to the app that I want to add. That will make ClipDek so much different from what Warp is already doing. And the second problem is I am not a CS major. It is very difficult to build a full-scale app like this with a very small coding knowledge that I have. This is where the holy grail of buzzwords come in. Vibe coding. Wait a minute and hear me out before commenting how hackers are going to run a train on my app. It will not be completely built by no-code tools because it's obviously stupid to do so without knowing the architecture behind it. For the MVP, I'll be using Cloud Code with Visual Studio to help out with the front-end design where I'm struggling a lot. So this can be called as a semi-vibe coded app. If you're still watching this video, please consider subscribing. That will help me a lot. And the last problem is distribution. It is very easy to have an idea and make an MVP these days due to the advent of technology. But what many people who are building their apps solo don't have is channels for distribution. Attention has become the new economy and it's very sparse these days. And this exactly is the purpose of this video. I'll be documenting the entire process of building my app from scratch. So consider subscribing to stay on top. I'm sure you will not regret doing it. If you are a clipper who want to earn extra money by posting clips, or a creator who wants their contents clipped, the waitlist for ClipDek is already out now and it's the first link in the description. Sign up and let's make this app truly a great one. See you next time.